Hey there YouTube, it's JP Dunphy, your BMW genius here at BMW Fort Washington. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to make the most out of your older GT car, whether it's a 3 Series or 5 Series. And we're going to show you how to make the most out of the back storage area, because that's a question we've been getting lately. So with that, let's get started. Alright, so right now we're in the back of a 3 Series GT. This is a 330, 2018. And you'll notice, yes, it is a massive cavernous area to put many things, all your goodies and tchotchkes, collectibles. But the main question is, well, I see the seat releases all the way up here. So instead of reaching all the way up there, you do have these little tiny guys right here, both sides. All you have to do is pull this and you'll see it manually increases that and lets you fold down the seats from the back here, giving you a massive opening. Now, the one downside of doing it this way is that you do not have access to any way to kind of get the seat up without manually going in and pulling the seat back up. Now, one thing I did want to show and share, these little guys right on top here, this guy is going to increase, as you can see from this little tiny depiction. It brings the seat back up more, so therefore you can actually fit square objects inside your trunk in the back. Now, let me just fold down this guy over here. I'm gonna flip you over this way so I can show you exactly how this guy works. There we go. Hi, how you doing? So, when you pull this guy up on the driver and passenger side, you pull it up, this little piece on the back has, if I remember correctly, about 12 different ways that you can pull it forward and back. Each one of these little tiny notches will give you a different level of incline or decline in the back. So, with the seat up, let's put this guy all the way back here, shaboom. All right, so with that there, simply lift, and you see you can pull this seat to a straight up position. What that basically means is now on the back side of this, you can fit complete boxes in the back, assuming you don't have anyone, in the passenger seat. If you do, you must really not like the person in your passenger seat. But regardless, that's how you can fit bigger storage things in the back there. And then, of course, as standard with all BMWs, sorry, doing two things with two hands. I wish I had 3 arms. You can also do your simple pull right here and flip the center down if you have skis, anything like that, like most 40-20-40 rear seats in the back. And with that, thanks so much for being with us. If you had any other questions about your older or newer BMWs, we are always here to take your suggestions and see and show you what you would like to hear and see. With that, thanks again for being with us. If you like this quick video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Always let us know what you would like to see from us next, because again, we tailor our entire channel to what you, the viewer, wants to know and wants to learn. Any other questions, also feel free to simply drop by at BMW Fort Washington, right in Fort Washington, Pennsylvania, and we'll be here for you. Thanks for being with us. Bye.